This is Martham ROC Post. All the information in this video is taken from offline, so if there's anything wrong that I tell you, then please accept my apologies. This bunker is 25 foot down a ladder, and when it was built it cost £5,000. It opened in 1958, was manned by the Royal Observer Corps. It remains unlocked, but that heavy piece of concrete on top stops anybody getting inside. It remains intact, still a little bit of the furniture remaining inside. It was big enough for 3 men to be down there. They did have electricity from a 12-volt battery, which was occasionally charged by an electric generator. These posts were dotted all over the place and usually around 8 miles apart from each other. My information says that this one in Martham was closed in October 1968. But then in other places it says, after a review of the defence spending, by September 1991, all of them were closed down. Online it tells you about one of these in Brundall that was for sale for £25,000. That was in 2019. Now wouldn't that be a unique holiday home for somebody? Feel free to write any information I've left out in the comments below. Be very much appreciated. Thanks everyone. Bye for now.